The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 86th Amendment, or 100th Amendment. Correct answer is 42nd Amendment. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the procedure for the amendment of the Constitution? Article 365, Article 366, Article 367, or Article 368? Correct answer is Article 368. The preamble to the Indian Constitution describes India as a sovereign, capitalist, secular, democratic republic, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic monarchy, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, or sovereign, socialist, religious democratic republic. Correct answer is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the Supreme Court? Article 123, Article 124, Article 125, or Article 126? Correct answer is Article 124. The preamble to the Indian Constitution was inspired by the Government of India Act 1935, Lahore Resolution, Purna Swaraj Resolution, or Objectives Resolution. Correct answer is Objectives Resolution. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the citizenship? Articles 5 to 11, Article 12, Article 13, or Article 14? Correct answer is Articles 5 to 11. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world with 395 articles, 448 articles, 495 articles, or 552 articles. Correct answer is 448 articles. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the Election Commission? Article 322, Article 323, Article 324, or Article 325? Correct answer is Article 324. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on August 15, 1947, November 26, 1949, January 26, 1950, or March 15, 1951. Correct answer is November 26, 1949. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to life and personal liberty? Article 18, Article 19, Article 20, or Article 21? Correct answer is Article 21. The Indian Constitution is a combination of rigid and flexible features, unitary and federal features, parliamentary and presidential features, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the Finance Commission? Article 280, Article 281, Article 282, or Article 283? Correct answer is Article 280. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the Union Public Service Commission? Article 314, Article 315, Article 316, or Article 317? Correct answer is Article 315. The Indian Constitution is based on the principle of separation of powers, devolution of powers, both A and B, or none of the above. Correct answer is both A and B. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Article 145, Article 146, Article 147, or Article 148? Correct answer is Article 148. Which language was the Indian Constitution drafted by the Constituent Assembly? Hindi only, English only, both English and Hindi, or English, Hindi, and other regional languages? Correct answer is English only. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the National Commission for Scheduled Castes? Article 338, Article 339, Article 340, or Article 341? Correct answer is Article 338. The Indian Constitution is based on the principle of constitutionalism, legalism, and constitutionality. Constitutionalism and legalism. Constitutionalism and constitutionality, or constitutionalism? Correct answer is constitutionalism. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes? Article 338A, Article 339, Article 340, or Article 341? Correct answer is Article 338A. The Indian Constitution is a unitary constitution, federal constitution, quasi-federal constitution, or confederal constitution? Correct answer is quasi-federal constitution. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.